So here we are, the shared development workspace, the communal fridge of data engineering. Everyone puts their stuff in here, and occasionally someone deletes your lakehouse like it's leftover sushi. I've got a task to work on, and I'm not about to wreck everyone's Monday. So I'm going to do the responsible thing, something my college roommate never learned, and create my own isolated workspace. I'll create a new branch to add some variables. And because I have a strict personal policy of naming things exactly once, I'm giving the branch workspace the same name. Now here's where it gets good. I don't need to haul every single item from the development workspace, like I'm packing for a 2-week vacation. Selective branching lets me pick only what I need. I'll grab the lakehouse and the variable library. Less copying, less waiting, more doing. And just like that, branch workspace ready to go. Notice the breadcrumbs up top on the left. That trail tells you exactly where you came from, so you never get lost. And if I open the workspace flyout, look at that. It shows me the full family tree. Parent workspace, its branch workspaces, the whole lineage. Now I can start working. Let me open the variable library and add a new variable. Check out the new variable types. We've got item reference and connection reference. Item reference is the one I want. I'm going to create a reference to my dev lakehouse. For the default value, I'll set that to my dev workspace and the dev lakehouse. And I'll add the production lakehouse to the test and production value sets, because what works in dev should eventually work in production. Emphasis on eventually. Now let's put the variable to work. I'll head over to my lakehouse. I'll open up the shortcut that currently points directly statically to my lakehouse. I'll click the option and then I'll use the variables. From the variable list, I'll pick the one I just created. And now the shortcut is using the variable instead of a static reference. No more whoops, that was pointing at prod the whole time moments. When I hover over it, I can see all the details, source, current value, which value set it's pulling from. Beautiful. Let's move on. I've done my work and it's time to commit. But first, like any responsible engineer, I'm going to review before I commit. This is the new change review experience, line by line diffs, just like you expect in code review. I can see the new variable I added. I can see the shortcut definition change from static lakehouse reference to a variable driven reference. No surprises. No, what did I even change panic? Everything's right here. Looks good. Let's commit. Now that the commit is pushed to my branch, I'll create a pull request to merge it back to main. The regular review process your team already loves, or at least tolerates. Let me navigate back to the development workspace and look, there's a notification. My teammates, before they update the shared workspace, can click into change review and see what's actually coming in. No surprises, know who changed the shortcuts, and why is everything broken. And when they are satisfied, they update the workspace. My changes merge in, the team has them, and the automated release pipeline ready to test, and production can kick off. Now look, in production, you're going to have a proper deployment process. Pipelines, scripts, approval gates, the whole thing. But I want to show you how easy this has gotten. With the new Microsoft Fabric CLI, single line of code, that's it. Branch workspace, selective branching, variable library with item references, line level change review. You just watched the whole lifecycle in under 4 minutes.